Hi, in this video, we will make this NYC taxi favor box. I have made the design easy to use and assemble. Hope you will have fun making the project. Download link is in the description below. There are one SVG file for Cricut and one Studio3 file for Silhouette Cameo. Upload the file to Cricut design space. Here are all the elements. This is the car body. Here is the top part of the taxi. We have 4 black pieces for the windows. This is the front bumper. These 2 black stripes go to the side of the taxi here and here. This yellow piece and the taxi are for the taxi sign on the top. NYC car plate. 4 semicircles go to underneath the wheels. All the folding lines are attached and will be cut as dotted lines. Some longer spaced dotted lines are glue marks, not for folding. This rectangle here. This one shows where the black stripe will be. This one is for the other black stripe. This rectangle is for the NYC car plate. This glue mark is for the front bumper. All we need to do is click Make It. Come to the Prepare page. 4 pages of cutting layout. We will need 1 white card, 2 yellow or orange cards, and 1 black card. Click Continue to cut. Gentle peel the black stripes off. This piece is for the taxi side. We can see the triangle in A has been cut off. If you don't mind the A is like this, then it's fine. If you can't stand A missing the middle bit, carefully remove the small triangles and keep them in a container for later. Scrap the rest. Here are all the cutouts. The yellow pieces are the body, roof, and the sign. They are for the windows. The rest are decoration accessories. Here we have 4 white wheels and 2 tiny triangles for the taxi sign. We will begin with all the accessories. Find the 4 black circles and stick the white wheels on top. The wheels are done. Put them aside. Next, we will make the taxi sign. All the folding lines. These 2 vertical lines are glue marks for the taxi piece. Align them and glue together. Put a dab of glue in the middle of the A. Wipe if there is too much glue. Position the triangle and glue it. Same to the other A. Wait till the glue is dry. Flip it over and fold. The 4 triangles are glue tabs. Fold them behind like this. Because there are 2 layers here, so need press a bit more to fold. It should look like this. We will glue them like this. Apply glue, tuck the triangles behind. Press till the glue is dry. Same to the other side. Here are the glue tabs for the bottom. Apply glue and tuck the bottom in. Hold it together. The taxi sign is done. Grab the 2 pieces for the car plate. Glue together. Grab the bumper pieces and stick them together. Here are all the accessories for the taxi. Get the main body piece. See all the folding lines and 4 semicircle cut. This line here and here, they are the glue marks. Don't fold here. Same as the rectangle here, it's for the car plate. This line here where the semicircle piece is for position the bumper. Don't fold here. We will fold here, here, and here, but not this one. Fold the folding lines slowly. When fold around the wheels, be careful, don't bend the wheels. Take time to fold. It should look like this. The back of the car. Now we fold the front. all the folding is done. Flip one side of the card to the back like this. Grab the 4 semicircles. We will use the semicircles to cover the holes at the bottom. Don't put glue inside the circle. Put glue around the circle here. Same to the other wheels. The bottom of the taxi should look like this. Flatten the whole piece. Put the 4 wheels in position like this. Glue all the wheels to the body piece. Find the rectangle marks at the back of the car. Fold the back panel up. Ensure the car plate is right side up when the car falls up. Align with the glue mark. The car plate here is a bit high. I have adjusted it lower in the files. Find the car front panel. The one with the semicircle is the front. Glue the bumper along the glue mark. The taxi body should look like this. Grab the 2 long stripes and glue them on the sides of the car. Glue them along the dotted lines. Same to the other side. Grab these 2 pieces. They are all the car windows. Flip the body piece over, match the windows and glue. The taxi body is done. Grab the roof and 2 rectangle pieces. See all the folding lines here? Here is the rectangle, which is the mark for the taxi sign position. This is not a folding line. All the glue tabs on the sides. This panel doesn't have glue tabs, which is the front of the car. Here is the front, and here will be the back of the car. Flip over and fold along the folding lines. Be mindful not to fold this one. It's a glue mark. These 2 rectangles are similar in size. The one with round corner is the back windscreen. This one with sharp corner is for the front windscreen. Glue them to the roof piece. Now the roof is done. Fold the car body up and glue the sides together. Same this end. We are getting there. We are going to install the roof. Push down the tabs a bit. It will go on top like this. Fold the pieces to adapt the top. Bend this line backward to fit the back windscreen. Fold this line upward. We will hide all the glue tabs inside. Lay one side of the car on a flat surface. Take time here to adjust and align the roof and the body. Use fingers to push from inside. Check top and the bottom are both aligned. Continue the rest of the roof. Align properly and give it a good press. It is looking good. Tuck in the tab here. Grab the taxi sign. Glue it to the where glue mark is. There we have it. Super duper cute taxi favor box. It's time to call a taxi. Hope you enjoy this project. Thank you for watching.